kids. So today we're gonna break a supercharger.
Yeah, very likely. I'm just hoping maybe it'll
hit it with your fucking purse, man.
Well, I'm not trying to break your shit, boy.
No, especially on that. I can't tell if that's normal or not.
That's not normal.
I don't think so.
That's why we're replacing.
And what is this?
It's an isolator.
An isolator. Is it plastic?
So you can pause it. Got it, eBay $5.99.
Seriously?
No.
Okay. It's very light.
It ain't gonna fix it.
It's not gonna fix it. Definitely not gonna fix it. What's up?
What do you think? I need to take the lid off. Or maybe even the whole supercharger.
Do you think you need to do that?
Oh god, he's gonna break this shit. What is he doing? What are you doing,
Ooh,
Kyle?
I would think at that rate that would come loose.
What are you trying to do, man?
I'm trying to get the snout off.
Have you watched?
There is a bolt that's not, I mean it's... loose, yeah.
I've got it loose, but I can't get it.
Have you watched any YouTube videos?
No.
Watch your YouTube.
What's a YouTube?
Oh, you definitely gotta pull this one.
You think so?
Well, I don't know, because look, this plate right here, you know what I'm saying? It's just bolting to the front of that. I mean, it looks like it would just come off there.
Do you have the gasket for it? No, it's a RTV. It can't be RTV. Look inside. It'll ruin the O2 sensors.
It does look like RTV.
Do you have blue silicone RTV?
That's black.
Right, but you need blue.
You probably do, yeah.
Because blue doesn't destroy sensors.
Yeah. Unless the black on the package says O2 sensor safe, you know what I'm saying? It actually puts like white shit all over the O2 sensor and fouls it out.
Did you write down the timing? What? You have to retime that.
Why?
The supercharger.
No, you don't.
Yes, you will.
No, you won't.
Oh my god, dude, this guy don't know shit.
Fucking breaks that off.
Yeah, but who cares if that breaks off?
Me?
That just
Okay.
holds the cover.
We're pretty sure that we've got all the bolts out, but it doesn't want to pull off there. It does have RTV sealer.
Tapping it. Just tapping it. Tappy, tap, tap, tap. Oh, too good.
Do you not like your home? You don't like your home? Go to your home!
Dude, something's not right.
No, it's glued on there, man.
Did you pull timing cover off?
Yeah.
So you're not getting that bitch off there.
Pull the lid.
Get the torch out.
The torch.
Kyle, I'm not responsible. I'm just saying.
You absolutely are.
Hold on.
If your side breaks, you are responsible.
No. You should have paid GM to do this.
Just try to like working it back and forth, yeah.
Man, that bitch is long.
See, I just don't know what's behind what I'm prying on.
The fucking supercharger intake.
Yeah, but
Right.
how solid is it? Because
It's probably
I would imagine
know.
it's not very solid.
right.
It's built by GM.
Ooh.
Oh man.
Oh, got it.
Oh,
Woo!
God,
Oh no, let his side come
that
off.
sounded way worse.
Yeah.
I'm loose.
Okay.
I thought you broke something, dude.
Yeah, I did too. And then I saw it come apart.
Damn,
Hold
that's
on,
scary.
hold on. You got lines hooked up over here, okay?
Yeah.
I got plenty of.
Hold on,
slack
let's get this stuff out of the way. We've made it this far without breaking shit, so let's make sure we don't.
We think.
That's what he thinks. I can't wait to see
Oh
what
shit,
this
the bearings are froze up.
Can't
can't wait to see what this isolator is gonna look like.
It's gonna be shitty.
Piece of shit fucking General Motors.
This little fitting right here is holding us up. I'm gonna have to pull the whole supercharger just to clear this little fucking fitting. And we may not have to pull it that far, but that means we gotta take all this shit apart. It's gonna be fun. Could be a long night. There's supposed to be another. I don't know.
Here it is. That's supposed to be spun all the way around.
Oh, look here. Is the spring broke? Oh, we probably did that though.
I don't think so.
I'll just take it apart. Andrew. I don't need it. I got this one. Let me see if that spring.
Listen to that noise.
Oh, damn, son. The spring doesn't look broke though, does it?
No, but look. Yeah.
Oh, but the spring is what wears the grooves in this. And that's where all the play is. And this replaces this without a spring.
No spring. It's a solid isolator. This just sits on here.
Yeah, see one. That shaft's for the spring. You think so? That's literally the reason why this is what causes the supercharger to pull, is this stuff right here.
This dumbass thing.
Yeah.
That was the whole problem.
You guys, this pipe right here was in the way, so we had to loosen every single bolt in the supercharger to clear that.
God, I'm so worried about it fucking come back together, right? Look, it's all lifted up and shit.
Yeah, I think there's probably some dowel pins or something. But we'll get it lined up.
It would bother me not to take it all the way apart.
Yeah, but look at all the shit I have to take off to get that out of there.
Yeah, I'd be ordering those gaskets.
Ordering them?
Yes. I'd be planning on doing that when we buy these dumbass cars and do all this dumbass shit.
Right.
Get stupid are we? God, dude.
We're the suckers.
I spent 20 grand on a car and I'm fucking taking it apart.
Going the wrong way.
There's reverse torque. When you use a torque wrench, you go reverse. Huh?
Is that right?
Dumbass. You gonna drop that socket
Can
down?
you fucking line me up here? Yeah, dude, that's got me all sketched out.
Here.
This whole car is sketchy. I think we left.
Wait, let me see this fucking thing. We're gonna torque our Cadillac Supercharger bolts with this piece of shit. Wait, do they even go foot-pounds? This is foot-pounds, sir.
I don't need inch pounds.
You don't need inch pounds?
I don't know.
How many foot-pounds are you going to?
No, dude, that's gotta be lying.
100.
Yeah, 100 foot-pounds?
Absolutely. Well, I'm gonna go 100. And
That's gotta be like
I gotta back it
14
off.
inch pounds or something, dude.
Dude, it's gotta be less than that. I'll bet it's like 7 or 8
Inch pounds or foot pounds?
inch pounds.
Then you can't use that.
I'll bet. Do you have something else to use?
Not with me. Anthony, you don't have a fucking torque wrench for this guy?
Yeah, it's one like this.
Bitch, what a cheap ass.
Alright, I gotta get working because I gotta get that tight. You think that torque specs for the Snout matter?
No.
Think so?
I think the torque specs for everything matter.
Right, but for that, just tighten up so it don't fall off.
I just want to tighten it up now. I don't want the gasket to set.
Hurry up and do that. Oh, wow. There is fucking zero play now.
Right, before it was like dink, dink, dink,
Yeah.
dink, dink. I don't want anybody to see me using this on the internet.
The name.
Hey, they'll probably think you're a boss, man. Dude, he's using that torque wrench nobody knows how to use anymore. He must really know what the fuck he's talking about. For those of you watching, this torque wrench is the only thing we had available.
Super.
It worked back in
I don't know why
1901. It'll work in 2019.
Yeah, use him on my carburetor. Carburetor. Motor ring.
I thought you said 3 Hugga-Duggas coming.
I did. But then y'all yelled at me.
Damn right. Because he'd have done it too.
Hey, dude. You're forgetting something.
Oh my gosh. Fucking spent all the time cleaning it.
Yeah.
Sounds better.
You guys are ass.
It does sound good.
Dude, that's what I do to your girl. I know she does. But I think she keeps calling me back. I'm not either.
Yeah, use him on my carburetor. Carburetor. Motor ring.
This is why I'm trying to do this.
Whoa! Dance party.
Well, I hope that focus doesn't turn out of focus. That head doesn't come back in tomorrow. Huh? So I hope that head doesn't come in tomorrow.
Why?
Because I'm fucking killing my back. Getting old, man.
Yeah, but that Honda, you should be able to lift it up and just lay on that bitch.
All right, break time.
Can't be nearly as bad as doing the ones on your Camaro.
What?
The heads on your Camaro.
I didn't do that on my Camaro.
Ah, who did them?
What? I've never had a Camaro with heads. I mean, they had heads. I just never took them off.
He just lied about it when he first started.
No, I didn't.
What? Listen, that's how you know it's a lie. You don't even remember lying about that shit.
I didn't know. The only thing I said.
You told me that shit.
I said it.
Because I remember us going out, and I went out to a flashlight, and I was like, "Don't look very clean down there. If you did put some heads on it." The silver one.
I know what you're
Back
talking
when
about.
you were like 12.
So yesterday.
You're like, it's got the LS Future heads on it. They didn't even come out with these yet. Got them from the GM
Listen,
product
no,
engineers.
No, never mind.
Got them from the engineer, man. He was like selling them out of the back.
Only thing done to that car was an LS6 intake, ported throttle body. It had headers, a full exhaust, and a tune.
And he told me it had
And
different
coilovers.
heads.
I never said I had heads.
You had heads, what he told me.
You gonna get this supercharger back on here tonight or what?
Technically, the Supercharger is on there.
You know what I meant. He's fucking getting old. How old are you, Kyle?
It's on his back. It's his belly that's killing him.
At least I get fat proportionally. You're just like.
It's all on his belly.
Wheel looks like it's sticking out one of the other ones. It's almost like it's different. Is that a different wheel?
Oh my gosh, Anthony, shut the fuck up. Fucking hyena.
Don't get butthurt.
I'm not butthurt. I'm kind of butthurt about my splitter. That's about it.
Dude, this thing would fuck you up.
I'd be butthurt about that too.
fucking
Wait, here it is. Here it is. Here's the splitter. Oh my god! What is that? Oh my god!